Hello everyone. So today, let me share my screen here. All right, so today we are going to be learning about blizzards. So in your Edmodo, you are going to want to look on the right side of the screen, scroll down a bit. You are going to click on the assignment for blizzards, click on this link. All right, and when the post comes up, we have the link for the reading. We have my email you send your answers to. These are the questions that you will answer. These ones in the attached document. So let's get started on blizzards. So a blizzard is going to be a snowstorm that has high winds. So to be called a blizzard, a storm has to have winds that are greater than 35 miles per hour and a visibility of a quarter mile or less because of the snow. All right, blizzards are dangerous. The wind may blow the snow into deep drifts, and with the poor visibility, the snow drifts are going to make driving pretty risky. All right. The wind is also going to make cold temperatures even colder because if you have faster wind, the wind chill is going to be higher. And wind chill is going to be what the temperature feels like when the wind is taken into account. So you have a certain temperature, you have the wind blowing, the wind is going to make it colder. All right. So a higher wind chill is going to cause certain effects to happen sooner than they would if it weren't windy. So frostbite and other things like that. And in my home state of Minnesota, I actually am very familiar with blizzards. So yeah, when you do have a lot of this snow, you can't see in front of you, so driving slows way down. And we get below zero temperatures a lot because of wind chill. So something like 40 below, which is very, very cold. All right, so now on to lake effect snow. So some places are going to get heavy snowfall every winter because they are near a lake. So if they're near a lake, they get lake effect snow. And what this is the winter winds are going to pick up moisture as they travel over the warm waters of the lake. And when they reach the cold land on the other side, the air is going to cool, the moisture is going to condense, and it's going to drop as a lot of snow. So this could be as high as 100 inches of snow in a single lake effect storm. So it's a lot of snow for just one storm. So make sure you finish your questions, turn them in to me.